Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn English through a Disney movie. It's called Zootopia. The movie tells the story of a young rabbit or a bunny who wants to be a police officer in a city called Zootopia. Zootopia is a city divided into predators and prey. A predator is an animal that preys on other animals. حيوان مفترس بياكل الحيوانات الأخرى. And the prey is an animal that is usually killed or hunted by the predators. الprey هي الفريسة أو الحيوان الأليف اللي دايما الpredators بتاكله. So let's watch.
You ever wonder how your mom and me got to be so darn happy?
Nope.
Well, we gave up on our dreams and we settled. Right, Bon?
Oh, yes, that's right, Stu. We settled hard.
See, that's the beauty of complacency, Jude. If you don't try anything new, you'll never fail.
I like trying, actually.
What your father means, hon, is it's going to be difficult. Impossible even for you to become a police officer.
Right. There's never been a bunny cop.
No.
Bunnies don't do that.
Never.
Never.
Oh, then I guess I'll have to be the first one. Because I'm gonna make the world a better place.
Or, heck, you want to talk about making the world a better place. No better way to do it than becoming a carrot farmer.
Yes! Your dad, me, your 275 brothers and sisters, we're changing the world.
Yeah.
One carrot at a time.
Amen to that. Carrot farming is a noble profession.
Mm-hmm. Just putting the seeds in the ground.
And one with the soil. Just getting covered in dirt.
You get it, honey. I mean, it's great to have dreams.
Yeah, just as long as you don't believe in them too much. Where'd the heck she go?
Give me your tickets right now. I'm gonna kick your meek little sheep butt.
Ow! Cut it out, Gideon!
Bah, bah. What are you gonna do, cry?
Hey! You heard her. Cut it out.
Nice costume, loser. What crazy world are you living in where you think a bunny could be a cop?
Kindly return my friend's tickets.
Come and get them. But watch out, because I'm a fox. And like you said in your dumb little stage play, us predators used to eat prey, and that killer instinct's still in our DNA.
I'm pretty much sure it's pronounced DNA.
Don't tell me what I know, Travis.
You don't scare me, Gideon.
You scared now?
Look at her nose twitch. She is scared.
Cry, little baby bunny. Cry, cry. Oh, you don't know when to quit, do you? I want you to remember this moment the next time you think you will ever be anything more than just a stupid carrot farming dumb bunny.
That looks bad. Are you okay, Judy? Yeah, I'm okay. Here you go. Wow! You got our tickets!
You're awesome, Judy.
Yeah, that Gideon Gray doesn't know what he's talking about. Well, he was right about one thing. I don't know when to quit.
So darn happy. So darn is an expression that means very. So darn happy is very happy. To give upon something is يتنازل عن شيء. We gave upon our dreams and became farmers. We settled hard. Hard here is an adverb and it means with a lot of effort. So we settled hard equals we settled with a lot of effort. We made a lot of effort in order to settle and in order to have a calm life. Complacency. Complacency is الرضا عن النفس or self-satisfaction, and the adjective is complacent. Being too complacent can harm your career. يعني الواحد لما يفضل راضي عن نفسه طول الوقت ممكن ده يضره في شغله لأن هو مش هيبقى حابب يعمل مجهود وهيبقى هو راضي بالحالة اللي هو عليها. Cop. Cop equals police officer, ضابط شرطة. And to cop someone as a verb is to catch or arrest someone. He was copped for speeding. يعني الشرطة ألقت القبض عليه بسبب تعديه السرعة المسموح بها. There has never been a bunny cop. Or there has never been a bunny cop. It means we didn't have any bunny cops before. This is the first time for a rabbit to work as a cop or a police officer. So please repeat after me. There has never been. There has never been. Heck. Heck is a word used to express surprise. It is like hell. We can say what the hell is going on here or what the heck is going on here. There is no better way than plus verb plus ing. It's an expression that means this is the best way to do something. There is no better way than voting Democratic. There is no better way than becoming a farmer. There is no better way than working as a doctor. One at a time. One at a time means individually, for each individual, for each person. So 1 carrot at a time means 1 carrot for each one carrot for each animal. Meek. Meek is an adjective that means gentle and submissive. خنوع ومسالم. She brought her meek little husband along. Cut it out. Cut it out is an expression used to ask someone to stop doing or saying something that is annoying or offensive. I am sick of that joke. Cut it out, can't you? Watch out. Watch out means be careful. Watch out, you're going to fall. Instinct. Instinct means غريزة, something that is deep in our nature. I don't know when to quit. It's an idiom that means that I can't stop doing what I want to do. My wife keeps spending our money on clothes she doesn't wear. She doesn't know when to quit. In order to improve your listening, please rewatch the scene again. Watch it one more time while reading the subtitles and try to listen to it another time without reading the subtitles at all. Try to depend on your listening and try not to look at the screen. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe. Thank you.